Today we are going to start our first course, Foundation to Cybersecurity. This is me, Usma Khan. Now, first of all, what is cybersecurity by itself? There are some basic key terms that are used in cybersecurity. First is the word cybersecurity itself. It is also known as a security. It is a practice of ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the information by protecting networks, devices, people, and data from unauthorized access or criminal exploitation. You will be introduced in this course to some key terms used in the cybersecurity profession. Then you will be able to get the resource that is useful for staying informed about the changes to the cybersecurity terminology. There are many terms and concepts that are important for security professionals to know. Being familiar with them can help you better identify the threats that can harm organizations and peoples alike. A security analyst or a cybersecurity analyst focuses on monitoring networks for breaches. They can also help develop strategies to secure an organization and research information technology. The first is compliance. Compliance is the process of adhering to the internal standards and external regulations and enables organization to avoid fines and security breaches. Additionally, an analyst works to prevent incidents. In order for the analyst to effectively do these types of tasks, they need to develop the knowledge of the following key concepts. Now, the second key concept is after compliance and cybersecurity is security frameworks. Security frameworks are guidelines used for building plans to help mitigate risks and threats to data and privacy. Next is security controls. These are the safeguards designed to reduce specific security risks. They are used with the security frameworks to establish a strong security posture. Now, what is security posture? Security posture in an organization is its organization's ability to manage its defense of critical assets and data and react to the change. A strong security posture leads to the lower risk for the organization. A threat actor or a malicious actor is any person or group who presents a security risk. This risk can relate to computers, applications, networks, and data. Now, an internal threat. An internal threat can be a current or a former employee, an external vendor, or a trusted partner who possesses a security risk. At times, an internal threat is accidental. For example, an employee who accidentally clicks a malicious email link would be considered an accidental threat. Other times, the internal threat actor intentionally engages in risky activities such as unauthorized data access. Now, network security is the practice of keeping an organization's network infrastructure secure from unauthorized access. This includes data, services, systems, and devices that are stored in an organization's network. Cloud security. Cloud security is a process of ensuring that assets stored in the cloud are properly configured or set up correctly, and access to those assets is limited to the authorized users. The cloud is a network made up of collection of servers or computers that store resources and data in remote physical locations known as data centers that can be accessed via the internet. Cloud security is a growing subfield of cybersecurity that specifically focuses on the protection of data, applications, and infrastructure in the cloud. Now, what is programming? Programming is a process that can be used to create a specific set of instructions for a computer to execute tasks. These tasks can include automation of repetitive tasks, for example, searching a list of malicious domain, reviewing web traffic, or alerting suspicious activity. Thank you so much.